Hey my pretties, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can tell by the title, we doing these large knotless on her with fine hair. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all hit that post notification bell so y'all don't miss when I drop new videos. Alright, let's jump right into it. All right, y'all. So now I've already did the first row. So I'm pulling off the second row, and as y'all can tell right there, it got tangled. Like, I can't explain it, but her hair type, my mom has the same hair type, and it gets tangled so freaking bad and fast. So to help with that is my number one tip would be to make sure you're combing your or your client's hair out at all, like before each braid, before you part, all that, because it's gonna tangle. I feel like it's inevitable that it just tangles. So I'm putting my product on, I'm starting off my braid, and I'm adding in my pieces, making sure that I keep my firm tight grip. Y'all already know how I feel about that. Keeping my product that's on my hand, because I'm gonna need it on standby for when I need to add product to the ends, and make sure I'm rubbing it through her hair and combing it through so it won't be any humps in her braids, just like I just combed through just then. And every so often that you braid, you will comb out the ends of the hair. Because, like, y'all, even taking her hair out of the ponytail was a little bit of a hassle because her hair gets tangled so easily. So a ball or any kind of, like, you know what I'm saying, anything that'll make it tangle, it will tangle. No, this is not a bad thing. Her hair is beautiful, y'all. It's just, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to help y'all understand, like, if y'all get a little frustrated or want to know, like, why is my hair so it's getting on my nerves, or why is her hair so tangly? It's not something that can help. But at the end of the day, y'all already know I love each and every last one of my clients, so we're gonna get this motherfucking slatey either way. So it's not gonna run me away whether your hair long, thick, it gets tangled, you think it's, you know what I'm saying, ugly, nappy, whatever, baby. Over here, all hair textures are beautiful and are welcome. So that's why we're learning to deal with each and every hair type. Because when I first started braiding, that was a thing for me. Like, oh, wow, I did the crap out of her hair. But now she come up here with a different texture, a different type. You know what I'm saying? Because everything doesn't work for everybody's hair. So, yeah, making sure that you're combing from the ends to root will help with the tangling. So once you do that, get you a wide tooth comb, not a small comb, a wide tooth comb. Because, baby, check this out. We already halfway done. Check out the back, y'all. Check out the motherfucking... Baby. Okay, we jumping right into the front of the head. This is me pre-pouring off the front of the head just to make sure all the braids align. Make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all combing out their hair, root to end. I mean, end to roots, y'all. You know what I'm talking about. End to root, end to root, end to root. You know, I'm just letting these words get to my head. That's all that is. So her hair is already combed out. You can tell how when I'm combing it, it just glides through her hair. Her hair is not tangling. You see what I'm saying? See how it just glides through when I tangle? Because I had already combed it out. I just ain't show it on video. My bad, y'all. This the whole point of the video. But it's okay. It's okay. So this is me putting the product and swooping her hair just so it can be real cute with these these large knotless braids. Y'all saw that look at the end? So yeah, I'm just continuously combing and combing and combing, making sure that it's sleek and laid per usual. All right, y'all. Now we combing out her hair, getting that product worked through, and I'm pushing out her baby hairs. I'm working that product through all of her hair, because with these large and jumbo knives, you got to get that product through or it won't be S-laid, y'all. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm finna start off this last braid. Y'all already, if you're a braider, if you know, you know. If you know, you motherfucking know. Even if you ain't a braider, if you done braided somebody's hair before, that last braid hit different. I mean, it wasn't my last braid, but for this video, this the last braid. So when I'm looking at it, I'm just like, damn, that last braid hit different. So yeah, I had a whole other side to do, but I ain't show it on camera, so that don't make y'all no difference. Get out my business. So y'all, as I finish this last braid, y'all see as I'm braiding down and adding my pieces, I'm combing out as well. Make sure y'all combing out as well, because I'm telling y'all, like, y'all can tell even from the video, her hair is so pretty, her hair is so soft, but it's gonna tangle. So I'm gonna need for y'all to comb out the end as y'all braid. Make sure y'all taking y'all time. See, her edge is so long, I had to start getting it inside the goddamn braid. But that's okay. All you got to take your time, pull it out, and keep going as normal. Listen to me now. I ain't gonna tell you nothing wrong. Look at them braids now. Like, I don't really have to say nothing. I'm just saying, look. I'm not gonna tell you nothing wrong. Now I'm trimming the ends, getting them little flyaways and stuff is. Now it's time for the mousse. Everybody's favorite part. I'm getting so happy just looking at it. It's just so oddly satisfying, y'all. Comment down below if it's satisfying to y'all too. Now I'm finna curl her baby hairs or her adult hairs. You know how y'all help us in the comments like to be y'all smart. Them ain't baby hairs, them adult hairs. Who gives a fuck? They cute. So yeah, we curling those and the sideburns. And this, like, maybe I should be quiet for this part. Alright, y'all, we done with the baby hairs and we done with the style. These braids came out so freaking cute, y'all. Even with a little tangle, we're gonna get the job done every time over here on this end. So with that being said, y'all, the number one thing I want y'all to take from this video is comb out your hair. Comb out your client's hair from the ends to the root, my love. And with that being said, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you don't do nothing else. And make sure you hit that notification bell, y'all, because y'all don't want to miss when I drop again. Alright, don't say I ain't tell you. And make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias. They'll be in the description box below. And all the products I use in this video will be in the description box below. So, yeah. And I'll see y'all in the next one.